To manage seasons in Farming Simulator 25, first we'll need to click on the Escape. Then we can navigate to the game settings right here. If you're playing on the gamepad, open your map and then select the gear icon right here. Now when we scroll down, we'll be able to find the seasons section, and you can manage your seasonal growth between post or yes or no. It turns on growth calendar that adheres to the season and the withering of plants. Planting is only possible when the crop can reach maturity, and you can, as I said, turn it on and off or pause it. Then there's a slider to change your days per month. That means how long 1 month will last, and you can switch between 28 days to 1 day, and I'm gonna go with 28. Then there's a fixed visual month, and you can set whether a specific month should always be visible. Turn off dynamic visuals, and you can select your month right here. And finally, the last option is to enable or disable snow.